Don't be intimidated by seafood. I'm going to show you easy recipes that all begin with fabulous ingredients from Hy-Vee. Broiled salmon with blue cheese, white wine, lemon, and dill is so easy and so delicious, you're gonna wanna have leftovers. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch. The key to this dish, of course, is responsibly sourced salmon. So the Responsible Choice program is pretty robust here at Hy-Vee.
The vendors that we use for our farm-raised salmon use all the best practices. They're environmentally sound, the way they raise the fish. They use pristine waters, and the fish come out tasting great and they're consistent.
And consistency is what everyone is looking for.
And the great thing about Hy-Vee is that we go out and find those vendors and we bring it back to our customers, and so they know they're getting the best seafood.
The product looks really spectacular. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. I like to buy a whole side of salmon. I will serve the centerpiece only because it's uniform and thick in size and cooks evenly. Take off the tail. Take off the area that's right next to the collar. These are not trimmings. This is delicious, beautiful fish. There are 100 different things to do with fish, so this becomes my leftover extra. I want to take a tray and I want to put a piece of baking paper on it. And the reason is I don't want the skin of the salmon to stick to something. I am going to sprinkle this fish with some shallot, and I just sprinkle the dill, coarsely chopped. Cut this butter into fourths, put this on the crown of the fish. Let's put a little lemon juice over the fish. I'm gonna take some sliced lemon, put those around the edges of the fish. I have a little bit of white wine, about a quarter cup. And then I've got my blue cheese. I would encourage you to buy a beautiful piece of fresh, nice blue cheese. So I'm broiling it on high, 4 or 5 inches away from the heat source, and about 10 minutes for every inch of thickness. I like to take it a little more and just go to the point of it being done, just past medium rare. When you start to smell the cheese and the salmon, that smell means we're ready to remove the fish from the oven. And you can see we've got that delicious browning. That is the color of flavor. About 1.5 to 2 inches wide, gonna be 6 to 8 ounces. Let's make some plates, shall we? I like it when everyone gets a little piece of the lemon. I'm gonna serve this with this delicious tomato, herb, and orzo mixture. So there you have it. A very easy sheet pan salmon, including blue cheese, white wine, lemon, and dill, using delicious, sustainable, fresh salmon. You're gonna have leftovers. Put it in a foil pouch, just throw it into a warm oven, 225, 250 degrees for about 15, 20 minutes. Wow, that's a nice piece of fish.